Good day, everyone. Today I'll be discussing the distress light SOS through Morse light. Introduction. Distress light SOS through Morse light is an important emergency communication method used in maritime operations, aviation, and rescue situations. It uses flashes of light to send international distress signal SOS in Morse code. This signal is universally recognized as a call for immediate help, especially during emergencies at sea where radio communication may not be available.
Meaning of SOS. The distress signal SOS is represented in Morse code as SOS equals CDOT. This means first letter S equals 3 short flashes. The second letter O means 3 long flashes. And the third letter S equals 3 short flashes. The SOS signal is easy to recognize and difficult to misunderstand, making it highly effective during emergencies.
What is Morse code? Morse code is a communication system developed by Samuel Morse and Alfred Vail. It uses combinations of short and long signals called dots and dashes to represent letters and numbers. Morse code can be transmitted through sound, radio, or flashes light. In Morse light communication, a short flash represents a dot. A long flash represent a dash.
Importance of distress light SOS. Number 1. The SOS distress light plays a vital role in safety and rescue operations because it, number 2, provides a universal emergency signal understood worldwide. 3. Helps rescuers locate people during emergencies at sea or in isolated places. 4. Functions even without radio equipment. 5. Is useful during nighttime or low visibility situations. 6. Supports maritime safety according to international regulations.
Uses of distress light SOS. Distress light SOS is commonly used in ships and marine vessels, lifeboats and survival crafts, emergency rescue operations, military and naval communication, outdoor survival situations.
How SOS through Morse light is sent. To send an SOS distress signal using light, flash the light quickly 3 times for the letter S. Flash the light slowly 3 times for the letter O. Flash the light quickly 3 times again for the letter S. Repeat the sequence continuously until help arrives. Examples of light sources used: flashlights, signal lamps, searchlights, lanterns, mobile phone flashlights.
Advantage of Morse light communication. Simple and easy to use. Requires minimal equipment. Effective over long distance and night. Can operate during communication failure. Internationally recognized signal. Limitations. Although useful, Morse light communication also has limitations. Difficult to use during daylight over long distances. Requires visibility between sender and receiver. Weather conditions like fog or heavy rain may reduce effectiveness. Requires basic knowledge of Morse code.
Conclusion: distress light SOS through Morse light remains one of the most reliable emergency signaling methods in maritime and rescue operations. Its simple pattern and international recognition make it an effective way to ask for help during emergencies. Even in modern times, with advanced communication technology, the SOS Morse light signal continues to be an important backup system that can save lives.
Thank you and happy sailing.